Namaste and welcome to the weekly episode of the IT Stock Insights. Today we dive into the key movements of the IT large, mid and small cap stocks. Most of them announced their Q2 results and we will take a look at it. We are looking at stock performance from 14 to 18 October 2024. Before we dive into this week's IT Stock Insights, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to receive timely notifications. This week saw a volatile market with a negative bias due to disappointing earnings from large counters. Results from Bajaj Auto shocked the markets. FPIs were also net sellers during midweek. Markets recovered end of the week. Infosys, Wipro, HCL Tech, Mphasis, LTIM, LTTS and Tech Mahindra announced their results this week. Well, it was a mixed bag this week. Overall, the Nifty closed flattish with a slightly negative bias of 0.44%. Gainers this week were Bank Nifty and Realty. Auto was down 5% on the back of weak numbers from Bajaj Auto. Metal, media, FMCG, auto and pharma were down 1% during the week. Nifty IT index closed 0.5% down. IT Pack led the revival on some days, with results season kicking in. Coming to correlation, Nifty IT helped prevent deep falls in the overall Nifty. On Friday, however, weaker than expected results from Wipro and LTTS could sustain the positive move and the IT index fell significantly. We will now look at how some of the top stocks performed. Starting with TCS. It announced results on 10th October. Post which the stock reacted sharply and lost over 1.5% midweek. However, the stock recovered 0.5% over Thursday and Friday with good numbers coming in from other IT counters. Nifty IT index was down 1.47%. Infosys shares tanked 4.5% the day after the results were announced. The street reacted as it missed estimates. Infosys was the second largest contributor to the day's fall to the IT index. HCL announced its results early in the week on 14th. Q2 revenues were at 3.45 billion, up 2.4% quarter-on-quarter. Company also gave a revenue guidance of 3 to 5%. A dividend of 12 rupees per share was announced. The street welcomed the numbers with gains. However, on the back of results from Infosys, it gave up some of its gains on Friday. It was a roller coaster ride for Wipro. On Monday, the stock rose 4% with hopes of an outperformance and bonus issue. Sentiment changed during the week due to other sectors' non-performance and the stock closed at 3.76% up. A bonus of 1:1 was announced. Key concerning fact is the lowering of the earnings forecast to -2% to 0% for the upcoming quarter. Tech Mahindra announced its results on 19th October post-closure of market hours for the week. Revenues were up 2.2% for the quarter. Company has been in the midst of a restructuring exercise. Stock movement has been cyclical for the week. It gave up some of the gains on Tuesday and Wednesday. Recovered on Thursday and finally closed 0.65% down. Need to see how the markets react on Monday. LTTS announced results on 16th October. Revenue grew 3.9% quarter-on-quarter. Management announced a dividend of 17 rupees per share. Street gave it a thumbs down, losing 2% on Friday. Mphasis announced results on 16th October. The revenues grew 2.4% quarter-on-quarter. These were above expectations and the street welcomed it with 6% rise cumulatively on Thursday and Friday. In the coming week, Coforge and Persistent will announce their results. It will also be interesting to see how markets will react to all the results. Your channel will do a deep dive on these results and also cover the mid and small stocks results next week. Well, this is a wrap to the weekly IT Stock Insights. If you found the content useful, please like and subscribe to the channel.